Well, hello again, everyone. Welcome back to Wagon Wheel Friday. Running a bit late today and taking Mum shopping and tidy a few things up for her. Bit of early voting for her at the South Australian election. But anyway, let's get on to the horse racing. Last week, finally had some joy. 2 winners out of 5 races, and they happened to be 2 of the bigger bets on the day, so that was pretty pleasing. Strike rate now 30%, ROI now only at minus 6.3%. And we cut back our losses by almost a half. So fingers crossed for this week. 7 races, though, this week that I've come up with, so let's have a look at them. Firstly, looking at the Flemington meeting in race 6, the All-Star Milers, I think. 2 top selections here. I'm Thunderstruck and Inspirational Girl. Won't be surprised if either of them win. I'm not sure they'll be having a bet in this race, though. I do like Zaki being ridden by Jamie Carr, and I just might let this one go by without having a bet. Flemington race 7, no value bet here for the top selection. Gentleman Roy just sneaks in front of Mandela Effect, which is well over the odds, but so far out of 60-odd races, haven't had any of them win at value bets any more than $15. So again, no value bet here, so not having a bet in this race either. Race 8, I do like this one, Desert Icon, well out in front of the rest of the field, 12 points clear. It's a value bet, so definitely be having $18 on Desert Icon, provided the price stays above the $3.30 mark. Moving over to Rosehill, Golden Slipper Day, but we're not betting in that one. In race number 7, I do like the look of this one as well, Forbidden Love. Convincingly beat Lighthouse a couple of weeks ago, and Lighthouse won very comfortably last week. So quite happy to be having $17 on this one, although Moanga is a very nice horse, the second pick in the race. But I think I'll be definitely having some money on Forbidden Love. And then moving to the Gold Coast in race 4, Sea Raider was actually a top pick a few weeks ago and was scratched. It's come out top selection again, but a tough race. 2 other horses not that far away from it as far as the wagon is concerned, but at $8.50, a pretty tasty price. So $12 odd going on Sea Raider there. Gold Coast race 9, 2 equal favourites as far as the wagon wheel is concerned, and they're actually quite short in the market as well. We've got Last Chance and Safe Work. Probably going to be having the $8 on Safe Work, although at the moment it's barely a value bet, so possibly not having anything in this race at all once we finally get down and prices settle into near those starting prices. And the last race, Ascot race 8, comes up with the top selection being massively over the odds at $19 with the bookies, but the wagon's got it at $4.78. And the second pick in the race also at $19. So, there's one of these cases where horses that are up in class, and in the case of Roman Flirt, probably up in class by a lot. And the market is not factoring in that it has much of a chance at all. Just reminding you that to date, there have been no value horses win at prices above $15. So if I do have a bet on this one, I won't be having massive amounts on it, just a couple of bucks maybe, just in case. That's a bit like a gambler, I know, but there we go. We're having a bit of fun with this. The wagon says it's a chance. Well, I guess it's a chance. Anyway, that's it for this week. 7 races, I think. Looking at it, I might be betting in just 4 of them. But anyway, I'll upload the spreadsheet, as I always do, onto Google Sheets, so you can download it to your desktop and play around with the numbers to your heart's content. Happy punting to you all, and catch up with you again next week.